Best power supplies. Number 5. Corsair CX450. 80 plus bronze, runs cooler and uses less power than less efficient power supplies. 5-year warranty, backed by Corsair's legendary technical support and customer service. Black housing, cable sleeving and connectors give your build the high-end look without breaking the bank. Thermally controlled 140mm fan, quiet operation across a wide range of loads. LLC resonant topology with DC to DC ensures improved efficiency at lower loads and compatibility with all modern-day chipsets and CPUs. The CX450 power supply provides modern power supply technologies and 80 plus bronze efficiency at a competitive price point. The CX450 offers many upgrades from traditional designs. It is black with black cable sleeving and black connectors, offers a large diameter, thermally controlled 120mm fan, and is nearly silent when running at idle. The LLC resonant topology with DC to DC ensures best-in-class voltage regulation, improved efficiency at lower loads and complete compatibility with all modern-day PCs. Our power supply units, PSUs, use an 8-pin EPS12V CPU cable that can be split into two 4-pin connectors. If you want to connect our PSU into a 4-pin EPS motherboard port, simply pull the two halves of the connector apart and connect one half into the motherboard port. Check the description below. Number 4. Corsair CX550F RGB. 80 plus bronze certified efficiency provides up to 88% operational efficiency, generating less heat and lowering your energy costs. Control RGB lighting at the push of a button, with 10 preset lighting modes for 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs built into a 120mm RGB fan. Connect to a Corsair iCUE RGB lighting controller, sold separately, or motherboard via the included 5V ARGB adapter for advanced RGB lighting control. A dedicated optimized fan curve is specially calculated to keep noise levels down. Supports Microsoft Modern Standby Sleep Mode for extremely fast wake from sleep times and better low load efficiency. CXF RGB power supplies light up the internals of your PC with 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs and fully modular cables for easy cable management. Each CXF RGB PSU features a brilliantly lit 120mm RGB fan with 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs to give beautiful accent lighting to your build. Push the button on the back, connect to a Corsair iCUE RGB lighting controller, sold separately, or use your motherboard's built-in ARGB control with the included adapter cable. Control your lighting however you want to. Corsair CXF RGB series fully modular power supplies deliver reliable 80 plus bronze efficient power to your system and let you use only the cables you need for a cleaner build. Ensures an easy fit in almost all modern enthusiast PC cases. Corsair CX550F RGB series fully modular power supplies deliver reliable 80 plus bronze efficient power to your system, alongside vibrant customizable lighting from a 120mm RGB fan boasting 8 RGB LEDs and a clean aesthetic. Easily cycle through 10 preset lighting modes, or connect to a Corsair iCUE RGB lighting controller or compatible motherboard. Check the description below. Number 3. Cooler Master V750 Gold V2. The Half-Bridge LLC resonant converter and DC-DC technology offer reliable and stable voltage outputs for safer, more reliable performance and higher efficiency. Semi-fanless mode with hybrid switch. The 135mm FDB fan is semi-fanless up to 40% load and can be manually turned off with a hardware-based hybrid switch. Full modular cabling. Modular cables reduce clutter, increase airflow, and improve overall efficiency and thermal performance. 16 AWG PCIe cables. The thicker 16 AWG PCIe cables allow for higher currents, thereby improving both efficiency and safety. The V-Gold V2 offers the high-quality user experience you've always wanted. Enjoy an 80+ gold efficiency rating, full modular cabling, semi-fanless operation, a 135mm FDB fan, 16 AWG PCIe high-efficiency cables. Improvements and innovations from the components to the cables deliver a power supply unit fit for any and every type of PC. The 100% Japanese capacitors, Half-Bridge LLC resonant converter, and DC-DC circuitry deliver a product that even the pros can respect at 550, 650, 750, and 850 watt levels. Now available with white casing and cables. The V750 Gold V2 offers the high-quality user experience you've always wanted. Enjoy an 80+ Gold efficiency rating, full modular cabling, semi-fanless operation, a 135mm FDB fan, and 16 AWG PCIe high-efficiency cables. The thicker 16 AWG PCIe cables allow for higher currents, less heat resistance, and improve overall efficiency and lower ambient temperatures for safer, more stable system operation. Modular cables reduce clutter, increase airflow, and improve overall efficiency and thermal performance. Check the description below. Number 2. EVGA Supernova 850G7. 80+ Gold certified, with 92% efficiency or higher under typical loads. Half-bridge LLC resonant converter and DC-DC design leads to extremely tight voltage regulation and very low ripple and noise. Fluid dynamic bearing fan and EVGA Eco Mode for ultra-quiet operation and increased lifespan. 10-year limited warranty and unparalleled EVGA customer support. Extremely high efficiency. At only 130mm length, the Supernova G7 finds enough space to pack a half-bridge LLC resonant controller with a DC-DC design, along with 100% Japanese capacitors and better layout placement to reach near platinum efficiency and provide tight voltage regulation and extremely low ripple and noise. Ultra-quiet 120mm FDB fan with EVGA Eco Mode. Despite their size, the Supernova G7s remain whisper quiet with a 120mm FDB fan. EVGA Eco Mode provides an ultra-quiet experience under 50% load, which can be monitored via the system load indicator bars. EVGA 850G7, 80+ Gold 850W, 10-year warranty, power supply 220G7-0850X1. Check the description below. Number 1. MSI Meg AI 1000P PCIe 5. PCIe 5 and ATX 3.0 PSU. 10-year limited warranty, guaranteeing long-term reliable operation. 100% Japanese 105 degrees Celsius capacitors. Fully modular design. 80+ Platinum certified. 80+ Platinum certified. The efficiency of your power supply directly influences your system's performance and your power consumption. The 80+ Platinum certification promises lower energy consumption and higher efficiency. Compared with the general Platinum power supply on the market, the power supply's 160mm long and 150mm wide dimensions ensure a comfortable and easy fit in most PC cases, effectively providing more space for cable management and airflow to the rest of the system. Flexible triple-layer sleeved cables are easy to bend and durable, providing easy cable routing and better durability. It also looks better depending on the preference of users. The power supply can support the NVIDIA and AMD graphics cards. Prepared for the highest of requirements, the MEG power supply's I/O supports can support different and versatile ways of connection according to the power connector design of different graphics cards. It has an output port that is compliant with PCIe 5.0 and Intel PSDG, Power Supply Design Guide, ATX 3.0. Also, the power supply can hold up to 2x total power excursion and 3x GPU power excursion. With a native 16-pin PCIe connector, this power supply is ready for next-gen graphics cards. It can freely pipe up to 600 W of power to PCIe 5.0 graphics cards. Aiming for unwavering product quality and performance stability, the power supply comes with 100% Japanese 105 degrees Celsius capacitors and solid capacitors. Choose your preferred method of powering your GPU with the abundance of included cables to improve heat dissipation and prolong the capacitor's lifespan. The heatsinks were designed to cover as many capacitors as possible in a limited space. The MEG gaming power supply is proudly backed by a 10-year limited warranty, guaranteeing long-term reliable operation. Aiming for unwavering product quality and performance stability, the MEG gaming power supply comes with 100% Japanese 105 degrees Celsius capacitors and solid capacitors. Organizing cables is often the most bothersome part of building a PC. With the MEG gaming power supply's fully modular design, it means that only the connectors required by the build need to be used, significantly reducing cable clutter and simplifying the system's overall build. Check the description below.